Hello aspirants. Welcome back. Let us discuss about the National Improvised Explosive Device Data Management System and its significance, which is in headlines today. First, what is the National Improvised Explosive Device Data Management System? The National Improvised Explosive Device Data Management System is a centralized digital platform created to collect, analyze, and share data related to improvised explosive device incidents across India. Given that IEDs remain the most lethal tool of terrorists, insurgents, and left-wing extremists, the National Improvised Explosive Device Data Management System marks a critical shift from reactive to data-driven counterterrorism. Next, what is the significance of the National Improvised Explosive Device Data Management System? Number 1. The system strengthens counterterrorism architecture. It provides a nationwide, unified database of IED incidents, components, techniques, and deployment patterns. It helps security agencies identify linkages between cases across states and regions. It enhances the capability to detect organized terror networks rather than treating incidents in isolation. Number 2. Improves investigation and forensic efficiency. It enables faster post-blast investigation through access to historical blast signatures and device designs. It assists forensic teams in matching components, circuits, and explosives with past incidents. It reduces duplication of effort and improves conviction rates by strengthening evidence-based prosecution. Number 3. Enhances interagency coordination. It creates a common operational picture for state police, National Investigation Agency, National Security Guards, Central Armed Police Forces. It promotes real-time information sharing, breaking institutional silos in internal security management. Number 4. Enables predictive and preventive policing. Through trend and pattern analysis, this system supports threat mapping, vulnerability assessment, early warning signals. It shifts India's internal security approach from reactive response to proactive prevention. Number 5. Boosts national security and strategic preparedness. It helps in standardizing counter-IED protocols and training. Strengthens preparedness against cross-border terrorism, left-wing violence, urban terror networks. Supports a whole-of-government approach to sub-conventional warfare. Number 6. Technological governance in internal security. It represents the use of digital platforms, big data, and analytics in policing and security. It aligns with the vision of technology-driven smart security systems. Finally, in conclusion, the National Improvised Explosive Device Data Management System is a force multiplier in India's counter-terror ecosystem, transforming scattered information into strategic intelligence. By enabling better investigation, coordination, and prevention, it significantly strengthens India's capacity to combat IED-based asymmetric threats in a systematic and future-ready manner.
Thank you. We meet again with a new topic soon. I request you to like, share and subscribe to my channel.